It's something about homemade dinners. They just hit different. Tonight I made some creamy scalloped potatoes with some chicken and some seasoned broccoli. Let me show you how I made it. I cleaned my chicken and I coated it with some oil. I seasoned it with onion powder, garlic powder, some accent, a little pepper, Kinder's Italian herb seasoning, some sazon, and some paprika. I set that aside and let everything marinate. I set the oven on 365. Then I started cutting my potatoes into thinner pieces like this. And I used my cast iron skillet because I wanted my potatoes to be more crispier. Then I put the potatoes in and I seasoned it with some pepper, parsley, and some oregano. And I used some shredded cheese and I layered it on top. I set that aside and I started to work on my sauce. And this consisted of a half a stick of butter, a small box of heavy whipping cream, Tony's no salt seasoning, onion and garlic powder, some paprika, rosemary, thyme, and some pepper. Then I let everything thicken up and poured everything on top. I added a little bit more cheese on top, covered it with aluminum foil. Then I baked it for about 30 minutes covered and then 30 minutes uncovered. And I seasoned my broccoli with some vegetable seasoning with a little bit of pepper. And I went ahead and steamed my broccoli and I air fried my chicken. And I did some green onions on top too. This is how everything came out. Thank y'all for tuning in and I'll see you guys in the next one.